Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane, go to Line command. From the center point, construct a profile first. Okay, like this, here, a straight line, here and make one line here. Now escape. Now here, go to arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point, select here and make one arc here. Now escape, go to tangent constraint, select this and select this. Now escape. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this and select this bottom. Escape. Now we will go to dimensions, go to dimension, define this total dimension here. This will be of 110 mm. Okay. Now we will define the other dimensions. This straight dimension here will be of 52.5. Now define this radius as 9 mm. Okay. Now we will define this from this end. This will be at 25 mm. Escape and drag this side. Okay. Go to dimension, define this from the center. This will be at 38 mm. Now escape. Now here we are left with this profile. You can see this is in a moving form. So we'll define the angle here. First go to line command and here make a straight line up to here. Okay. Or you can join here and escape. Now select this line and make it construction. Okay. Go to dimension, define the angle here as 17.5 degree. Okay. And escape. Now here you can see only a small profile is being left and this is still in a moving form. So go to dimension, select this point and select this base and define the distance here as 74 mm and escape. Okay. Now you can see the complete profile. Now here just drag the arc till this point. Okay. Now go to line command and make a close profile. Select this point or you can just escape. We will mirror this profile first. Go to mirror, select this complete profile. Okay. Go to mirror line and select the center line to mirror and apply. Done. Okay. Same profile has been constructed here. Now finish sketch. This will be considered as a single profile. Go to revolve. You can see the complete profile has been selected. Click on axis and select this as axis of rotation. So a profile will be constructed here in 3D part and press OK. Okay. Go to the front view. You can see this profile, this arc. Go to home. Rotate. Now select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 70. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Here we'll click on cut and distance will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now take here fillet. Take a fillet radius of 3 mm and select this top edge. Click on apply. Now take a fillet radius of 6 mm. Go to edge selection and select this bottom and press OK. Okay. Now here select this face and click on create sketch. Go to part 1. Now we are going to construct this pattern profile. Go to part 2. Here take the arc command and take center point arc. From this center point make one arc like this. From again the center point, make one more arc here. Okay. Now go to line command, join these profiles, this and this. Go to dimension, define this bottom arc. So this will be a radius of 64 mm, and define this top arc. This will be a radius of 104 mm. Okay. Now here the angle between these two will be of 30 degree. Now go to line command, from the center point, escape. Go to line command once again, click on this center point, and here we are going to construct a straight line and escape. So this will be a center line. Select this line, make it construction, go to coincident, select the green point and select this line. Similarly, select here, escape. Now here we want to match the center of this also. Go to vertical constraint, select this green point and select this point. Now you can see this is equally divided. Okay. Now here go to dimension, select this point, define this as 40 mm and escape. Now here go to the fillet command and take fillet radius of 5 mm. Select this corner, select this corner, select this and select this and exit. Okay. Finish sketch. Take here the extrude command and take here cut and take a cut of 3 mm depth and press OK. Okay. Now here take circular pattern, select this extrude 2, go to rotation axis, select this profile and here take a count of 8. Go to left view. Now you can see the same profile and press OK. Okay. Now go to home. Now I want these profiles this side as well. Rotate. So go to mirror command. Select fillet 1, fillet 2, extrude 2 and pattern 1. Rotate. Now go to mirror plane, go to origin and select here the YZ plane. Now you can see all the profiles and press OK. So the same profiles are generated here as well. Rotate the profile. Here we will change the appearance. From here we will take the light red color for this middle face. Select this face and here we'll give it aluminum finished. So I'll give it aluminum polished. Okay. So this will be the final output. Rotate the profile. You can see the same profile this side. Okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D pattern model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.